My name is Rachel Rosser. I am a team lead, and I've been here almost 8 years. I'd say a time I felt proudest at work is when I actually got my promotion to area lead. It showed that as long as you work hard, you can achieve something. I originally came in as a glue clamp operator, and now I'm up to an area lead, but I have done several jobs in between. I worked my way up to area lead by just doing what was asked of me and learned many different machines. I've worked every shift that we've had available here and just moved from there. Quanex training process is a lot better than the place I worked at before. Quanex, you can read on paper, sign off on the books before you even step out on the floor and run the machine yourself. I would encourage others to work for Quanex because we just offer a lot of benefits, and like I said, we offer a lot of chances to grow rather than just stay in the same position constantly. We all get along and it works out there. I've known some of these people since I've been here. I've known one or two since before I even got here. So it's been just an opportunity to learn and grow with them.